In this video, we'll explore the question, how do I blog? Now, many of our clients get a bit stuck on this question, and normally it's because they've overcomplicated it. They say to themselves, I'm not a writer, I can't do it. But normally, they can. What we need to end up with is 4 or 5 paragraphs telling us a little about a relevant keyword and your location. Or, as we often say, a little about what you do and where you do it. So, let's look at a mechanic and say they're in Warn Ponds. And the keyword we want to focus on is auto service. We need to write 4 or 5 paragraphs about why customers should purchase an auto service. And we need to mention Warn Ponds. So, something like this. Having a regular auto service for your car is important because regular day-to-day driving wears out certain components. These components, such as brake pads and spark plugs, require regular checking to ensure safe and reliable motoring. Located in Warn Ponds, we've been servicing cars for over 10 years. As you can see, we hit our keyword auto service and our location Warn Ponds pretty quickly. And while I stop short, you can see that the flow of the blog should continue pretty easily from there. Finishing our blog, we'd include a call to action. Something like, so if you're looking for an auto service in Warn Ponds, contact us and we'll look after you. When the blog is uploaded to your site, there are a few things to remember. Firstly, keep the name keyword focused and include the location. So for this blog, we'd simply call it Auto Service Warn Ponds. The next thing is to include a couple of links. The first one from the word auto service back to the appropriate page on your site. And the next one from the words contact us to the contact us details on your site. We don't want lots and lots of links. The start point rule of thumb is just 2. Now for a little trick that I use myself. Some clients just don't get their blogging done. They know it's important, but they don't prioritize it, or it could be they just don't like sitting down at the computer and typing it up. So as an option, I use my phone. I open the voice recorder and record my blog into the phone. Once it's done, send it off to somebody to type it up for you. It might be a mate's Year 12 student or a retiree down the road. Pay them, of course, but get them to send it back to you as finished text. Explain to them what you're trying to achieve and that it needs to happen regularly. Give them permission to chase you if you forget. I find this really helps with the discipline of staying on top of your blogging. Now that you've written your blog, you'll need to upload it to your site. Now this will become easy with practice, but may require a few over-the-phone lessons from your web designer and host if they don't already have online tutorials. So there you have it, our quick look at how do I blog. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like or subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to check us out further, click the link. We'll see you later.